नमस्कार बैंक साथियों, आज तक जो भी बाइपार्टाइट सेटलमेंट के ऊपर यूएबीयू एंड आईबी के बीच में मीटिंग होती रही है और यूएबीयू उसके ऊपर अपना सर्कुलर जारी करती रही है। ये तो सब सर्कुलर में बताया था कि आईबीए ने उनको कितना ऑफ़र दिया, लेकिन इसके बारे में कहीं भी कोई बात नहीं हुई कि यूएबीयू डिमांड कितना कर रही है। इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी हमें कमेंट्स भी मिले कि कितना डिमांड कर रही है, लेकिन अभी तक यूएबीयू ने कुछ भी नहीं बताया था। लेकिन आज एक वीडियो आई है, संजीव कुमार बंदलेश जी जो कि कन्वीनर हैं यूएबीयू के, उन्होंने क्लियर कट अपनी इस वीडियो में बताया है कि वो हम कितना डिमांड कर रहे हैं और साथ ही उन्होंने ये भी आश्वासन दिया है कि जल्द से जल्द ये बाइपार्टाइट सेटलमेंट साइन हो जाएगा और उसके बाद हम जैसे कि पहले चलता था कि बहुत देर के बाद हमें एरियर मिलता था, उन्होंने ये गारंटी दी है कि हम इस बाइपार्टाइट सेटलमेंट में जल्दी से जल्दी और बेहतर एक अमाउंट बैंक कर्मचारियों को देंगे। तो चलिए सुनते हैं उनके द्वारा अपनी इस भाषण में कहा
He
क्या
has
था।
asked us, how much do you want? We say always we have submitted the chart of demand, you calculate. So we were sure that they will come out with some amount, but we were not sure how much percentage they will be offering us. So once they have offered us 13% initially, and then 15% and then 16%, then accordingly we have also started coming down. Now we are asking them to pay 22% against that 16% what they have offered, and simultaneously loading also we are demanding high, but we are waiting so that something that is acceptable to both sides, because we know it that there is a cost for improvement in pension also. Our people who had retired and those who are going to retire, they will also be needing some help, because all the retirees, 7 lakh retirees are there, besides 7 lakh working staff. Besides working staff means from GM to sweeper. They're all, that CGM to sweeper, they're all employees of the banks. They are 7 lakhs and 7 lakh retirees are there. So we are taking into account their improvement, some improvement in pension also, so that should also be taken over. And once that practice will start, so in future also that will carry on. So keeping both the things in mind, we will try to achieve this 12th bipartite settlement. But one thing is there, that whatever your amount of arrears you have gathered during the 11th bipartite, during a period of 36 to 38 months, that will be, even more than that, will be your arrears this time also within 12 months. So you are going to achieve a very good settlement. You are going to achieve a good bipartite settlement. Only thing is that we should have a faith in our union, in our leadership. We should be united together. And this is the one thing that cash benefit I am telling you. Besides that, there will be many things which will be improvement in the existing class.